Good morning everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We are back today with this beautiful piece of Chanel. How cool is this? I love the shape of the handles. It really just adds to sort of the circular feel, the softness of the bag. It is a Chanel in the loop bowling and I just absolutely love it. It's very, very cool. You've got a blend of two leathers as well. You've got the caviar and then you've got this lovely calf skin on here as well. So I will show you the features. So you've got two double top handles and then you have got this chain and leather shoulder strap. On the front you have got this front pocket which has got a CC turn lock fasten and a flap closure, and you've got a really lovely leather interior. On the back you have got a little purse which has got a prested fasten and then a little opening in there. And then I will show you the interior. So you've got a zip top closure and then inside you've got this nice circular barrel shaped interior, and then you've got a flat pocket there, and then you've got the date code in here as well. So this bag is from 2019 and there's the serial number there as well. So that is all of the features. I will come back and show you the sizing. Here it is on me. I'm about 5'4" and a UK size 8 for reference. So all the exact measurements will be on the website. So you should be able to get to that by clicking the link in the description, and it will take you straight to our website where you can see all of the details about it. If you click that link and it doesn't take you straight to the Chanel on our website, I'm sorry, that does mean that this bag has sold. But we do have a request list, so it should take you to our generic product page if this isn't available. Go to our website, get in touch, let us know what you're after, whether it's one of these or anything else, let us know and we will pop you on our request list and we will email you when we next get one in. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and also sign up to the newsletter to get 5% off your first purchase from Armcandy. If it's under £1,000, anything over you get £50 off. This comes with the Chanel dust bag, and then you have got the Chanel envelope and then the authenticity card as well. And the condition of it is in a beautiful condition. I'll show you what we've called it. So we've called it very good condition throughout. I'll talk you through it. So exterior we have called very good. It's beautiful, particularly the caviar looks amazing. The reason we've called it very good is because on this little pouch on the front, you can just see there is some wear to the corners, very, very minor, but you can see there is some wear to that. And just where the handles have perhaps rested on the top, you have got a little bit of denting on the calf leather. So that's why we've called the exterior very good. The interior, we've also called very good. The interior is absolutely beautiful. You've just got a couple of tiny marks just there, but that is it. So you can just tell that it has been used. The hardware, we've also called this very good. It has got a antique hardware to it. So the gold is meant to have an antique look to it. But you can just see there is perhaps some scratching to the front of the CC, but nothing major. The hardware really does look beautiful. So we've called it very good condition throughout. So this is a beautiful piece of Chanel. If you are interested, check it out on our website. The link is in the description. Have a look at this, have a look at the rest of our Armcandy, and we will see you soon with some more.